Hi, good day everyone. My name is Jonathan Calago, your lecturer for today's video, and we'll be rationalizing for the specialization in mathematics. Okay, let's have number one. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute to answer the question. Okay, let's have the rationalization. Time's up. The correct answer is letter B. That would be 21 years old. And why? We're going to rationalize. So that means x equals age of Jerry, and we are going to represent the age of Jose, which is x plus 3, and age of Andy would be x plus 10. Why? Because we're going to add 7 since Andy is older. So here x plus 3 added by 7. So that would be, to be sum of 3 plus 7, that would be 10. Here, since the sum of 3 ages is 76, we're going to equate and we're going to make an equation. So since we're going to have equal to 76, we're going to balance both sides. So here we're going to add like terms. So x plus 3 plus x plus 10 equals 76. So 3x plus 13, since x plus x, that would be 3x. 3 plus 10, that would be 13. That's 3x plus 13 equals 76. 3x equals 76 minus 13. Why? We're going to transpose 13 to the other side. That becomes negative. Since it is positive, we're going to transpose the other side. That becomes negative. So negative 13. Okay, 3x equals 6 to 3. So we're going to divide both sides by 3. That becomes 21. X equals 21. Therefore, Jerry is 21 years old. So automatically, we are going to answer letter B, 21 years old. So congratulations to who got the correct answer. Okay, let's have number 2. Okay, let's have number 2. Okay, number 2. I'll give you 1 minute to answer the question, and let's have rationalization after. Okay, for the answer, the lowest value on the group is 60 and the highest value is 100. Therefore, the range of the group is 60 to 100. Why? Because the lowest value that's stated in the group is 60, and then the highest values are 100. So therefore, the range of the group is 60 to 100. So that is so simple. So the correct answer would be, that is letter B, 60 to 100. Okay, let's proceed to number 3. Okay, time's up. Let's have the rationalization first. Okay, by definition, a rectangular solid where length, width, and height are equal is called cube. So the correct answer is letter A. Okay, let's have a number 4. Same drill. I'll give you 1 minute to answer, and I'll give you the rationalization. Okay, time's up. The correct answer, or I'll give you the rationalization first. There are 3 types of solutions of the system of linear equations. So let's consider the pair of linear equations in 2 variables x and y. So the correct answer would be letter D. System has a unique solution. Okay. Okay, let's have number 5. Okay, what is the largest prime number less than 100%? A, 91, B, 93, C, 95, and letter D, 97. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute to answer the question, and okay, time is up. Okay, I'll give you the rationalization first. So let's have, as you can see among the choices, 97 is the only number that cannot be divided by smaller whole numbers except 1 in itself. Therefore, the largest prime less than 100 is 97. Okay, congratulations to those who got the correct answer. So let's proceed to the choice, or the correct choice. That would be letter D. Okay, let's proceed to number 6. Okay, number 6 is, if the determinant of matrix A equals 3 and 2 and 1 and 4 computed, what is its value? Letter A, 14, letter B, 10, letter C, 12, letter D, 8. Okay, let's have the rationalization first. Okay, that equals 3 times 4 minus 2 times 1, that becomes 12 minus 2 equals 10. Therefore, the value of the determinant is 10. So, the correct answer would be letter B. Okay, congratulations to those who got the correct answer. Okay, let's proceed to number 7. Okay, question number 7. In how many ways can 7 persons be seated in a round table? A 40,320, B 36, C 5,040, letter D 7 and 20. I'll give you 1 minute to answer the questions, and you may pause the video. You may do so in order for me to rationalize it after. Okay, 1 minute is over, so let's rationalize number 7. Okay, if there are 7 people, that would be n, so the formula becomes n minus 1 factorial. Okay, that becomes 6 factorial. You're going to manipulate that, or going to answer that. That becomes 720, because 6 factorial is 720. That's 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1. That becomes 720. So the correct answer is letter D, 720. Congratulations to those who got the correct answer. So let's proceed to number 8. Okay, number 8 is, what is 0.32 in fraction form? A 3/4, B 8/25, C 9/16, D 4/5. Again, I'll give you 1 minute to answer the question. And okay, time's up. So let's have the rationalization first. So 0.32 means 32 hundredths, so we were right. It as 0.32 equals 32 over 100. Simplify by dividing both by 4. That becomes 32 divided by 4. 32 over 100 divided by 4 over 4 equals 8 over 25, or 25th. So the correct answer is letter B. Congratulations to those who got the correct answer. And so let's proceed to number 9. Okay, number 9 is, what is 150% of 298? So that is a percentage problem. You're going to answer that. So given the choices, letter A 4,470, letter B 447, letter C 44.7, letter D 4.47. Okay, so I'll give you 1 minute again, and then if you're hesitant to answer the question in 1 minute, you may pause the video so you can answer. Okay, time is up, 1 minute is over, so let's have the rationalization first. So here the rationalization is, okay, we're going to convert 150, so that becomes 1.5 in decimal form. Here, we're going to multiply 298 times 1.5, that becomes 447. So that is easy. So the correct answer is letter B, that is 447. Congratulations to those who got the correct answer, and let's proceed to number 10. Okay, number 10 is, Julius can eat a quarter of a pizza in 1 minute. How long does it take Julius to eat one pizza in half? Okay, the choices are A 3 minutes, B is 6 minutes, C 12 minutes, D 9 minutes. So same drill, you get 1 minute to answer the question. If you're hesitant to answer the question in 1 minute, you're going to pause the video. Okay, 1 minute is over. The correct answer, let's have the rationalization first. So okay, if Julius eats 1/4 pizza per minute, we need time for 1.5 pizzas, which is 6 quarters. So how are we going to multiply that? We're going to multiply 4, because quarter automatically means 4. So 1.5 times 4, that becomes 6. So 6 quarters. So how we're going to multiply minutes? So per quarter, so 6 quarters times 1 minute, that becomes 6 minutes. So the correct answer